Welcome everyone. So today we are going to solve a very nice word problem, which is that they are asking what will be the value of 90 divided by half plus 40. Okay, and then they have given us the options. Okay, so now let's understand how do we solve this. Okay, first, very important, if you guys have thought that the answer is 85, then I request all of y'all that that's the wrong answer. Why? Because I'll very quickly show you it doesn't follow the rule of BODMAS. Okay, and then there is something which is very important, the rule of KCF, that is very important. Okay, so if that is not followed, things led you to the wrong answer. Okay, and if you think that the answer is 220, then you are absolutely right. You can literally skip this video to the end, because at the end I'm going to put up a DIY whose answers you all can mention in the comment section. Okay, so now let's understand. See, whenever you have something like this, I would rather want all of you all to first write down the mathematical representation of this particular word problem. In any word problem, okay, please write down the mathematical representation, because half of your errors get solved at that time. Okay, now if you look, see, if you had read this, okay, 90 divided by half, 90 divided by half, so what people would have thought was, see, actually the mathematical representation is what, 90 divided by half plus 40, right? Now, unfortunately, they think 90 divide by half, okay? See, 90 divide by half and 90 divide by 2 is, they are not the same. Please understand. Why like that? Because of the rule of KCF. What does KCF say? That for this one, what for this one first, what will happen is we'll keep the number 90 first number as it is, then you change. So keep, K stands for keeping, C stands for changing. You change division to multiplication. Obviously when you're changing the sign, then something has to happen to the next number. So F stands for flipping. So here you should flip 2 to 1 by 2. Okay, so please understand, 90 divided by 2 is nothing but what, 90 into 1 upon 2. That, my dear friends, get you the answer of 45. Okay, but your question was what, 90 divided by half. It was 90 divided by half. So you are looking at this particular scenario. Okay, so what happens when you do 90 divided by half? Okay, so again you'll follow the rule of KCF. Please understand, this KCF is specifically done when there is division sign involved, only and only for division sign. Apart from division sign, you are not supposed to be using this anywhere else. Okay, because see, please understand, multiplication, plus, minus, all of them can be done directly, but when you have a division sign, you have the luxury of changing this division sign to multiplication, but for that you have to follow the rule of KCF. So again, what does K stand for? K stand for 90. I'm sorry, keeping the first number as it is. What does C stands for? C stands for changing the next sign. So obviously you're changing division to multiplication. And F, my dear friends, stands for flipping. Flipping, or you can say reciprocal. So please understand, 1 upon 2, when you take the reciprocal of that, means the denominator goes to the numerator. So this will become 2 upon 1, which can be directly written as 2. Any number when divided by 1, we directly write it the number itself. Division by 1 is taken into consideration. Okay, so here you will get 90 into 2, so answer comes out to be 45. So going back to this slide, here again, like I said, you will do 90 into 2, so that gets you 40. Sorry, my bad. My bad, that's not right. That doesn't get you 45, that gets you 80. Okay, so that gets you a 180. Okay, so please understand, here the answer will now come out to be 180. So please see the difference between the two. One answer is getting you one operation, 90 divide by half or divide by 1 by 2 gets you 180. 90 divide by 2 gets you 45. Please understand there is a lot of difference between 90 divided by half and 90 divided by 2. They are not the same. Please understand this. This is very, very important. This was the only glitch in this word problem, and I could not believe so many people goofed up in something so easy. Okay, but obviously for test questions, these are those questions which are literally uh, worded in such a way to confuse you. Okay, so now going back to our question, but before going ahead, I would like all of y'all to remember that every day, I am literally publishing or putting up more than two videos, minimum two videos, okay? On my channel. And on those videos I normally try to solve these kind of tricky questions. So in case you have a tricky question, please comment below, so I will definitely try to make a video on the same. And also, if you like the way I'm explaining, then please go ahead and hit the like button for giving me a lot of encouragement, okay? And also, don't forget, at the end I'm going to put up a DIY whose answers you all can put up in the comment section below. Okay, so now going back to your question, let's write this down. So we have 90 divided by half plus 40. So like you all said, you all know, now we'll follow the rule of what? KCF, correct. So that means we'll keep the first number as it is, change the division sign to multiplication, flip this. So flipping or reciprocal of 1 upon 2 is what? Correct. That is nothing but just 2. And then you add 40 to it. Okay, so the answer for this one is what? 180 plus 40. That gets you, my dear friends, option C is your answer. So I hope this is very, very clear to everyone. Okay, now, like I said, I'm going to put up a DIY question. What is now I'm going to change this question a little bit. What is 80 divided by a quarter minus 40? This is a bit tricky one. Please let me know if you can figure this out, the answer for this one in the comment section. And if you can't, then I will definitely try to make a video on the same, or I'll try to explain it in the comment section itself. Okay, apart from this, if you have any doubts, please let me know. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next video.